I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You need carrier hotspot support and Bluetooth active. First, open Settings and go straight to Personal Hotspot. Toggle it on, then allow others to join. Make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are both enabled because Bluetooth manages pairing while Wi-Fi delivers the connection. Once done, note the hotspot name and password shown on screen. You'll use them if automatic pairing fails. This begins the connection process, so the other device can discover and request internet access via Bluetooth. Now pair. On the second device, enable Bluetooth scanning and select your iPhone from the list. When prompted, verify the numeric code on both screens and accept the pairing request. This secures the link and authorizes network sharing. After pairing, switch back to the iPhone's personal hotspot page and verify the paired device shows as connected. Make sure the other device's network settings. Choose the iPhone Bluetooth network for internet use rather than its cellular or local Wi-Fi, which ensures traffic routes through the hotspot. To finish, test browsing or streaming on the paired device. If pages load, you're done. If not, first toggle the personal hotspot off and on, then disable and re-enable Bluetooth on both devices, reboot if necessary. Make sure the iPhone still shows the device as connected and that the carrier account permits tethering. Also verify you're within Bluetooth range, keep it within about 10 meters, and watch data limits to avoid throttling. If problems persist, try connecting via Wi-Fi hotspot instead to isolate Bluetooth-specific issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.